Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, another episode in our burger series. Haven't done this for a little bit, so here we go. Who doesn't love a Reuben? Who doesn't love a SmashBurger? Communists probably, but I know you're not communists. What happens when we take those and put them together? We're going to have something incredible. Let's get to making it. Now, first of all, one of the constituents of a Reuben is a fantastic sauce. Yeah, you can just go out and buy some Thousand Island dressing and use that. Why do that when you can make it with much better ingredients? That's what we're going to do. First of all, before I start, down in the description is all of the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions. I'm going to start out by making the sauce. So I have a half a cup here of Kewpie mayo. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sour cream, a tablespoon and a half of ketchup. Why use any ketchup when you can use Red Duck smoky ketchup? Oh yeah. This is why you read the description down below if you're making this, because I think this is 2 teaspoons of prepared horseradish. Could be 1.5, I don't know. Read down below. Down below it says 2 minced garlic cloves, but I only had 3 left in this bulb, and that last one looked awful lonely, and we love garlic. So they all go in. 1/4 teaspoon of white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Watch Your Sister shower sauce, and then a good pinch of salt and pepper. We mix. We have mixed, we taste. Oh damn, that's way better than Thousand Island dressing. That's like 6,416 island dressing. It's good. All right, so I'm going to get that sit in the refrigerator so all those flavors can meld together. Then we'll get to working on our patties. For the patties, I am making at least 4 SmashBurgers, so that means 8 patties. So, first thing I do is get 2 pounds of ground beef. Now, of course, we're using our aged ground beef, which we made in a episode much earlier. While regular will work, if you got aged ground beef, why not use it? For this next step, you could use some lean bacon, about 1/2 pound, dice it up. What I have here is just over 1/2 pound of pancetta. Yeah, a little fancy. So I'm going to dice that up and chuck that in the bowl. To that, I'm going to add about 4 teaspoons of whole grain mustard. We're going to use this Zatarain's Creole mustard because we like it a lot. Then we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of dried minced onions. That looks about right. 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. And then again, a good healthy pinch of salt and pepper. Maybe 2. We're going to mix all that up until it's all homogeneous. Once we're done with that, we're going to separate these into 4-ounce portions and make them into little balls to be ready to be smashed on the griddle. All right, I'm going to get those on a tray, chuck those in the refrigerator until we are ready to take them out to the griddle. All right, out here at the Blackstone, got it preheated. Now, the first thing we're going to do, I have some of this fantastic, beautiful marbled rye bread. We're going to get that toasted up first. And it sounds much like we're racing a thunderstorm, so we'll see how this works. Or that could be just the director's belly. I don't know. Now the burgers go on. Still racing the thunderstorm. Give them plenty of room in between because you're going to smash them. We'll give our smasher a good spray here. Now we're going to smash. We're going to hit them with some seasoning, equal parts salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Once you start seeing a crust form around the edge, that's the time to flip them. And if they fall apart on you a little bit, that's okay, because now you slap the cheese on, which is glue. Once your cheese is melted, that means the other side's about done. Remember, they're pretty thin, so you can start stacking them and then get them ready to take in so we can put this together. Alrighty, let's put one of these together. Hey, before I do, if you're liking what you're seeing, please hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button and never miss an episode. What is your favorite SmashBurger? We'd love to know, and I'll probably try it. All right, so let's get this all put together. So I've got my toasted rye bread here. On that, I'm going to put some of our special sauce, our greater than Thousand Island dressing. Of course, it's a Reuben, got to have some sauerkraut. So what I found, this Severn craft beer kraut, I found it at Walmart. This stuff is absolutely amazing. Every time I need to use sauerkraut, this is what I go for. Okay, get our kraut down. Now a couple patties. All right, can't wait to try it. All right, it's the moment of truth. I am a big Reuben fan. I'm a big SmashBurger fan. This ought to be awesome. I know earlier that I said you can use either lean bacon or pancetta. Scratch that. Use the pancetta. Oh my God, this is freaking incredible. Oh, you definitely want to try this. Thank you for joining us today, loyal viewers. We absolutely love you. We appreciate your support. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.